This video tutorial, Essentials of Prompt Engineering, was produced by Professor Moustapha Diack using AI systems. Imagine typing a few lines of text and getting exactly what you pictured in your head. Not just a passable answer, but a professional-grade result. That's the power of prompt engineering. It's not magic. It's the art and science of giving instructions that leave zero room for confusion. It's about turning a conversation into a collaboration. Today, I'll hook you with a wild example that shows just how dramatic the difference can be. I asked an AI to make me a plan, a simple open-ended request. It gave me a vague to-do list, generic, unhelpful, and totally unusable. Then I changed a few key things. I assigned it a role. I added clear constraints. I provided an example. And I specified the format. Boom, a bulletproof step-by-step plan with timelines, milestones, and even potential risks identified. Same model, different prompt. The difference is night and day. Here's the recipe I use to get results like this every time. It's a framework I call races if. Role. Who should the AI pretend to be? An expert, a coach, a critic. This sets the entire tone. Aim. The specific single outcome you want. Not a vague wish, but a clear goal. Context. The essential background information it needs to understand the request fully. Evidence. Data, links, or examples to anchor the AI in facts and prevent it from making things up. Steps. How you want it to think. Guide its reasoning process or structure the task into phases. Inputs. What you'll give it now, and what you might provide later, for feedback or refinement. Format. The exact output shape you need. Headings, bullets, JSON, tables, whatever, be precise. And there are two bonus rules that are absolutely critical. Constraints, these are your guardrails. Budget, tone, length, audience, tools to use or avoid. And iterate. Treat the first output like a draft, not a final product. Ask for improvements with targeted specific feedback. Now for some quick do's and don'ts, do set the role and audience. For example, you are a career coach advising new graduates. Do pin the format. Return 5 bullets, each under 20 words. Do provide evidence. Use only the notes I've provided. Don't ask 10 things at once. Split complex tasks into steps. Don't accept fluff. Push back. Say, be more concrete. No generic tips. And most importantly, don't share private or sensitive information. Let's build a prompt from scratch for learning Python in 30 days. Role. You are a senior Python mentor who specializes in project-based learning. Aim. Design a 30-day plan for a beginner to build a data cleaning app. Context. I know basic loops and variables. I can work 1 hour per day on weekdays and 2 hours on weekends. Evidence. Here's a short CSV sample of the data to be cleaned and a list of required features. Steps. Structure the plan with a logical flow. Plan. Mini lessons. Practice. Weekly project checkpoints. Inputs. I'll paste my code each week for your review and feedback. Format. Return a daily schedule using these headings. Day, goal, 15-min lesson, 30-min exercise, 15-min review. Use bullets. Constraints. The plan must be beginner-friendly. Do not use external libraries beyond pandas. Keep each bullet under 18 words. Now, we iterate. First pass. Skim the output. Are the goals realistic? Are the exercises concrete enough? My feedback prompt might be, this is great. Now tighten the scope for days, 7 to 10. Add error handling examples, and include one tiny stretch task per day. Second pass. The plan is refined and ready to go. One more quick example, drafting a tricky project update email. Role. You're a concise communications coach. Aim. Write a 120-word project update to stakeholders. Context. The project is delayed by 1 week. The cause was a vendor issue, and our mitigation is to begin parallel testing. Evidence. The original and revised timeline notes are below. Format. Subject line plus 3 bullets. Status, cause, and next steps. End with a clear request for confirmation. Constraint. The tone must be calm, confident, and avoid assigning blame. Iterate. Good. Now soften the language in line 2 and add a concrete date for the next update. Finally, a few pro tips to take your prompts to the next level. Ask for uncertainty. Tell it to flag any assumptions it's making and state its confidence level. Ask for alternatives. Give me 3 options for this headline, each with a list of pros and cons. Time box your output. Keep the summary under 150 words, and freeze the scope. Tell it, if you are missing critical information, ask up to 3 clarifying questions before you answer. At its core, prompt engineering is just clear thinking, made visible. It's a mirror. If the output is messy, your prompt is messy. The AI isn't a mind reader. Use the races if framework. Keep your constraints tight and iterate fast. Type with intent, and you'll get results that look like you hired a team of experts. Try it today on something tiny. Summarize an article, draft an email, then scale from there.